Stadea 5 inches wet stone polisher with powerful DTM Plus motor gear system features enhanced power and optimal polishing speed, designed for stone concrete wet polishing. Variable dial control to match the speed of either stone polishing process. Ready to use fully assembled unit. No need of assembling parts before use. 6 months warranty on manufacturing defects or malfunction for peace of mind. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Ergonomic design for longer non-tiring usage. Ergonomic grip size. Out of the core, soft back handle transfers minimal polisher weight to back handle, minimizing backhand fatigue. Innovative head-heavy polisher design transfers machine weight on the stone concrete polishing surface to increase polishing pressure and naturally enhanced polishing performance, and minimizes backhand fatigue. Out-of-body back handle eliminates air vent hand blockage, increasing motor performance and durability. Number 2. Connects to garden hose and under polisher water flow line. Inbuilt water quick connect to standard water hose. Water pressure control, water stopper, extra long water line. Under polisher water flow line does not interfere with polisher handling during usage. 3-hole 120-degree water hole for even water distribution. Number 3. Ease of use. Arbor locks for easy release of tool accessories. Soft start. Polisher power start 1 push lock switch for easy continuous use. Splash guard with vacuum connector to easier water and dust control. Dual handle support to easily meet specific use cases. Top D handle must for stone polishing. Ambidextrous side handle for easy multi-purpose use. Ergonomic easy back handle. Number 4. Enhanced safety. Class A GFCI for enhanced electrical safety to safeguard hazardous electrical shock. Double insulation motor. Extra long 12 feet industrial grade electrical cable, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does this work for marble countertops in the kitchen and bathroom? Answer. Yes, it does. Do note it is a wet polisher and you need to purchase diamond polishing pads. Backing pad to polish marble. Question number 2. What is the warranty? Answer. 6 months limited warranty. Question number 3. How many RPMs is this polisher? Answer. It is variable speed and has a continuous 6-speed dial speed control switch. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.